Wireless networks are everywhere, but are they truly secure? Hackers are exploiting vulnerabilities every day. Do you have the skills to protect against them? Introducing WiPentX, the Wireless Penetration Testing Expert Certification, a cutting-edge course designed to teach you advanced Wi-Fi hacking, Bluetooth attacks, MITM exploitation, and hardware-based pen testing. What you'll learn: Wi-Fi security testing, crack WPA2, WPA3, capture handshakes, and launch evil twin attacks. MITM attacks, inject JavaScript, redirect victims, and intercept HTTPS traffic. Hardware-based hacking, use tools like FlipperZero, ESP32 Marauder, OMG cable, and Raspberry Pi for advanced exploits. Bluetooth and IoT attacks, perform Bluetooth jamming, rogue AP attacks, HID exploitation, and more. This isn't just theory. You'll get hands-on training, interactive labs, and live sessions with expert instructors. Plus, our course is ISO 27001 certified and NASSCOM endorsed, giving your certification global recognition. Get ahead in cybersecurity with job placement assistance, resume building, and interview preparation. Join the elite ranks of ethical hackers and security professionals who protect the digital world. So, are you ready to become a wireless pen testing expert? Don't wait. Call us now at +91 7988 85508 or visit www.a7securityhunters.com to enroll today. WiPentX. Secure the networks, dominate the cyber world.